In this PyMuPDF tutorial, we are going to store files in a PDF document using two different methods. First, let's make sure PyMuPDF is installed. Now, we are going to create a new PDF document and insert a blank page in it. Next, we use Pathlib to read the target file in binary format. The file can now be embedded in the PDF document using the method EmbFileAdd. After saving the file and opening it with a PDF reader, the file can be accessed from the attachment section. It is also possible to use PyMuPDF to look for embedded files. The method EmbFileCount allows you to know how many embedded files are included in a PDF document. The method EmbFileInfo can be used to get information about an embedded file. PyMuPDF can also extract an embedded file. This can be done using the method EmbFileGet. The extracted file can then be exported using Pathlib. Another way to include a file in a PDF document is to attach it to a page. Let's create another PDF document containing a blank page. Next, select the target page, then load the file content using Pathlib. Attaching a file to a page requires providing a position for the paperclip icon. Create the file attachment annotation using the method addFileAnot. Use the method save to create the new PDF file. Let's open the document using a PDF reader. The icon can be used to open the attached file. Subscribe for more PyMuPDF tutorials.